I've already made $25,000 with the Amazon Influencer Program, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can do the same and make your first 10K with the Amazon Influencer Program. If you don't know what the Amazon Influencer Program is, it's a program where you are paid commissions to review products that sell on Amazon. They don't actually have to be purchased from Amazon. They just have to be on Amazon's platform. And these videos are super simple. So they're usually around 30 to 45 seconds. You're just describing the product, giving a pro and a con, and then you're giving a recommendation. It's probably the easiest side hustle I've ever seen, the closest thing to passive income, and I hate that word passive income, but this will make you money for years to come as long as you record that first video review. So let's show you exactly how you can get started and make your first 10K with the Amazon Influencer Program. And as always, if you got value, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna show you how to make your first 10K with the Amazon Influencer Program. So if you don't know what that is, you're basically paid to review products that sell on Amazon. You don't have to buy them from Amazon. They just have to be listings that are on Amazon. All these products that I'm showing you right now, this is my storefront itself. All of them are on Amazon essentially. So they're all products that are on Amazon. These were lying around friends, family, home, stuff like that. So that's how I got my 1,400 videos here. You can get a lot of videos if you just use your network and stuff like that. But essentially, I'm recording short video reviews, and how the structure works is I'm describing the product first, and then I am going to in pros and cons. Usually I give about 1 or 2 pros and then a con. Pros could be like, oh, this is like really great budget-friendly product or something like that, and I really like it because of that. And then a con can be like, oh, this is, if it's an expensive product, like, oh, it's on the premium end of things. Maybe you should look for something more budget-friendly if that's what you're going for. Something like that. That's like an example of an unbiased con. You have to be unbiased in these videos. That's why you have to kind of just do a product demo in a sense. So that's kind of how they look. I'll show you one example of the video. I'm just describing the version, the batteries, like how much battery life it has, its Bluetooth features, the size of it, the fact it lights up. Very, very simple stuff. And then I just show the accessories it comes with as well. And then I just said I love it, stuff like that. But that's towards the end of the video. And I said something about how it's very loud. So like if you wanted something smaller for a smaller space, probably consider something else. That's a good example of a con there that makes you look unbiased. And then after I did that, and then I said a pros and cons, like I really love this. The pro could be like I really love the sound of it. And then I just gave a simple recommendation. So it's very, very simple structure videos. And then people can see your videos in one of 2 places. So they can see it on this storefront right here. Usually I don't get much commissions from this, but I get most of my commissions from the product page. It's how I've made over $3,000 working 3 hours last month, 3,000 in the single month of April, and I only worked 3 hours. That just goes to show how powerful this program is. It's probably the closest thing ever. I hate the word passive income, but it's the closest thing you'll ever see to passive income because you're just getting rewarded commissions over time. This product lifetime, this JBL Pulse thing will probably sell for like the next two years. Probably will still sell. The JBL Pulse 4 still sells pretty well, even the older models. So it has like 2 to 3 years of life where this thing will be selling pretty well. But there's 2 different places your videos can go. Sorry about that. There's different buckets. There's the related product videos, and then there's you don't fall in the customer reviews. Those are people who are not in the Amazon Influencer Program. These are people who just took videos. But your videos can go here, videos for the product, or they can go in the related videos as well. I usually just ignore customer review videos. Those are not people in the Amazon Influencer Program. So it can go up there. And sometimes it takes a little bit for your video to play. So you don't actually see my video right now because I just uploaded about a week or 2 ago. And within like a week or so, it should end up showing up on the carousel up. And this is the upper carousel up here. And then the lower carousel, as you scroll down, it's here. And if you sell on Amazon, think about it like a buy box. People are looking through these pages, looking at the different details of the product, looking at comparisons, similar items. And if they scroll down past the specifications,
Your videos will go here as well. This is the lower carousel. You can see these are also influencers, and you can really see they're just giving pretty simple video reviews of these products and explaining what they like, what they don't like about it, and also describing the product itself. But super, super simple. And if a customer clicks and watches, it's a percentage of your video. Like, they can't just click on it and not watch it at all. Like, if I don't watch this and I buy it, like if I just pause out here, he's not going to get commission. But if they watch it a certain percentage through, I believe it's like halfway through, then you're going to earn commission if they end up buying it. And this category is, I believe it's a 2% category. So you earn 2% commission on all of these sales. So think about it this way. One sale of this will get you $4 if it's 2%, which adds up because this is a pretty fast moving product. If you're like one of the few videos on this, it'll get you a ton of commission. So that's that. And now we're just going to go into how to sign up. Let's say you're interested and you want to sign up. So the first step is to sign up with this link right here, affiliate-program.amazon.com/influencers, and you're going to sign up. And then you're going to sign up with your social media account that, let's say your email for your Instagram is joe@gmail.com. You're going to sign up with that email as your Amazon email address, because then it's automatically going to connect to your Instagram account if you choose that. You can choose YouTube, you can choose Instagram, you can choose TikTok, and you can choose Facebook. And you're going to choose the one that you have the most followers and most engagement on, because that's going to give you the most likelihood of getting into the program. Let's say you do get rejected from the program. You don't have enough followers. They say, don't worry, there is a way around this. You don't have to quit there. So there's basically websites that you can buy engagement and followers with. So Buzzoid is a great example of that. And you can essentially artificially generate your way into or navigate your way into the program. So my students have done this method, works super well. 9.9 times out of 10 people get in with this method, if not more than that. But yeah, so one of the few things that can get you, though, which we've seen problems with, is like inactive accounts. So if you've been inactive for like 2-3 years, probably not use that account. It's probably better to just start over and make a new one. That'll give you a better chance. I had students get approved with a 3-week-old account. So definitely possible there. Even if you're not, if you think you have to make one from scratch, you can do it pretty quickly. So you want to buy likes, you want to buy followers, you want to buy views. My students spend around $60-$70 or so, and then that gets them into the program. But you don't have to become one of my students. You could just go this route. But obviously, if you want the next step and you want to really scale this program, then you should definitely consider that. But yeah, if you do want to check that out, the link is down in the description for my community, Amazon Influencer Accelerated. Really great community in there. We have over 80 members who are all learning how to scale the Amazon Influencer program. We have different methods that we've talked about in that, and that's helped me get to 3 to 4K commissions a month. So yeah, so that's that. And then you can buy that, spend about $60-$70 or so, and that'll help. And then you're going to reapply. You can apply as many times as you want. If you get rejected, you can apply 10 times. There's no limit. You just have to come back with like maybe more followers or something like that each time. And then this is the last step of the video here, is how do I scale it? So if you want to, let's say you get accepted, you get approved. So before you scale it, actually, one thing I did forget to mention is you have to, once you get in, you have to upload 3 videos and 3 videos only. So this is for on-site approval. So this is the first step of approval, where your videos will go on this storefront. The second step is your videos will go on this product page here. And that's the on-site commission. So you're going to want to upload 3 videos and 3 videos only. So make sure you only upload 3 videos. Try to do plain vanilla products, like think about a Stanley Cup like this. You could do that. It's a pretty boring product in a sense. Don't do like makeup. Don't do supplements. Don't do shampoo, stuff like that. Because those videos tend to get flagged, because sometimes people will give medical advice or like guarantee results in a way. Like medical advice could be like, oh, this like will really like make your hair look perfect or something like that. Or I don't know, it will really like increase the volume of your hair. Like that's like example of medical advice, or you're guaranteeing results as well in that same bucket. So you want to refrain from using that type of vocabulary. But for the first 3, I would just recommend staying away from those products just to be safe. Then after you get into after you get on-site commissions, definitely go ahead and review all those products, review everything in your home. But yeah, you're going to want to upload 3 and 3 only under the best practices. like I explained, if you upload it under that structure, like I mentioned, you should get approved. So the last thing is if you want to scale it. So you have your home. That's the first place I would start. You can get your first 100 to 300 products. One of our students got like 300 products from her home. So definitely tons of products lying around in your home that sell on Amazon, especially if you're like myself and you order everything from Amazon. Perfect program for you. And the next step after that, I would start going to friends and family's homes. That way you can start to generate commissions from your friends and family and review the products that they have there. That can get you the next couple hundred videos. That can get you your first 500-600 videos, get you well on your way to making $1 to $2K a month right then and there. Even if you want to stop there and just pay your rent every month, that's perfect. You'll still make $1 to $2K every month pretty much. And then after that, if you really want to take it to the next level, there's Airbnbs, and then brands will also give you free products. So Airbnbs are like you're working out a deal with the owner saying, hey, I want to go to your property for an hour or two. I'll pay you $100, and I want to just do this. I want to view the products on your property, essentially. You kind of just say what the Amazon Influencer Program is and explain that you're an influencer and you want to just review the products on the property. Airbnbs tend to have a lot of high-ticket stuff, so it tends to do really, really well. So that's just an example of something that you can do to scale it. And then you can also do brands giving you free products. So after you start to upload your first few hundred videos, brands will start to reach out and then offer you money or free product or both. So you can negotiate like $20 to $50 a video from these brands. And if not, they'll give it to you for free. You can get some pretty nice products for free. I've got like a sofa before, which is insane, for free. So that's just an example of those types of products that will do really well you'll get for free from these private label companies that just want to grow their listing. So that's how you can start and scale the Amazon Influencer Program to your first 10K. And I'm going to link some free guides as well. So I have a free guide that you can check out, summarizes this type of info, and then also a free training as well. If you want an hour overview of the program, you can check out the free training as well. And then if you really want to take it to the next level and join the 80 plus students we have in our community, Amazon Influencer Accelerated, then definitely click the link below and check that out, because a lot of great stuff's going in that community. A lot of students are making a lot of money. One just made their first $1,000 in a month, which Zach is crushing it, which is amazing. Other students have made $1,000 in 2 months, and we just launched this, so like people are crushing it already within a month or two. So that just goes to show how powerful this program is. So if we check out the free resources just to make sure you want to do this, and then if you want to take it to the next level, check out Amazon Influencer Accelerated. Hope you guys got some value from this video. And as always, if you did, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.